How to report a lost or stolen Regions Bank card online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you lost your Regions Bank card or think it's stolen, well here is how to report it online quickly. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Regions Bank. And now here, from the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Regions Bank. Now here, simply log in using your credentials and once logged in from your dashboard, you simply have to go to accounts and select card services or manage cards. And there, you simply have to click report lost slash stolen card and choose the card you want to report. And with that, you just have to follow the prompts to confirm your identity and submit the report. And after that, Regions will immediately freeze your card to prevent unauthorized transaction, and you will also be prompted to request a replacement card which will arrive in a few business days. And that's it. That's how you can report a lost or stolen Regions Bank card online. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get up to date for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.